How to use Google Authenticator without account. Let's get started. Launch a Google Authenticator app. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Now in this page, you're going to find the list of the apps and website in which we have included Google Authenticator to log in. Now at the top right, you're going to find the profile icon. Click on that. Different options will appear. You'll also find the option of use Authenticator without an account. Click on it. Your codes will be removed from your Google account and other devices where you are signed in. They will still be available on this device. Click on Continue. Now the Google Authenticator will be removed from the other devices, but you are able to use in this device. So this is how you can easily use Google Authenticator without account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.